Survival safety tips may be given for your future guideline. Safety tips for survival: what to do. In the event of a fire, always remember that time is precious and every second counts. Follow the following tips. It is requested to everybody for following the tips in any office, industry, etc., etc. Stay calm, don't panic, don't run. In case of fire, stay calm, মানে শান্ত থাকতে হবে. Don't panic, don't run. Raise alarm and alert everyone in your premises. You see, where we are now, the classroom, I am in a classroom. My duty in case of fire to alert everybody in the classroom. Everyone in the classroom, we should be alert and we should come out. Escape fast and then call for help. First, you escape from the building, then call for the help. Use nearest available exit route. Nearest available exit route, you should come out, and don't use lift. It will be given, it will be said, but don't use lift. Always use staircases. Do not use lift, though it is very nearer to your classroom in your office room. While leaving the premises, close all doors, windows behind you if possible, but must ensure that nobody is left behind and you are safe. While leaving the premises, close all doors and windows. Why? Behind you. Why? There is a fire. So that the fire occurs in the building, occurs in the premises, so that fire cannot reach to that particular room where it not occurred. Use only escape route because they are built for the purpose. Escape route means the stairs. Only stairs you have to use for escaping purpose. Don't use lift. Always use staircase. If you come to the closed door, use the back of your hand to fill the top of the door, the doorknob, and crack between the door and door frame to make sure that fire is not on the other side. If it fails, use for secondary escape route. That means when you are in a closed door, if you come to closed door, now you are coming out from the building for escaping purpose. Now, you feel with your hand whether you are assuming some heat or not. If you feel that you are using some feel hot, then go for the secondary escape route. Don't use that escape route. What not to do? Never stand up in a fire. Always crawl under the smoke and try to keep your mouth covered. Actually, what happens, fire, wherever fire occurred, smoke will be there. Without smoke, fire cannot occur. And these smokes are lighter than air. It will go to the above level. Smoke will come to the above level, not to the ground level. So you are requested not to stand up in fire, always crawl under the smoke, and smoke is traveling from the ground level, after a certain height it is traveling. And try to keep your mouth covered so you can take yourself inside the fire to a long extent. Never go back into the burning building for any reason. Don't go to the burning building again. Second time, never go back. Teach children not to hide from firemen. Teach all the children not to hide anything from the fire person. If someone is missing, tell the fireman. If anybody is missing, tell the fireman so that they are equipped to perform the rescue safely. Don't secure open fire and smoke check door, as they limit the spread of fire and smoke when in closed position. Don't secure open fire and smoke check door. You see, in your building you will find some smoke check door, fire door. It is named as fire door, and these fire doors are 2 hours, 4 hours rated. So do not open the fire door, as they limit the spread of fire. It resists the spread of fire and smoke in closed position, and allow these fire doors are fitted in such a position that it allows the occupants of the building to evacuate the building without hampering smoke and heat. Do not tempt it to clutter the stairs, corridors or lobbies, as they are your escape route. Don't tempt it to clutter the stair by any means. Don't disturb the stair, corridor, lobby. These are the escape route in case of a fire in any building, any situation. Never use lift in case of fire, always use staircase. Do not stop to collect the belongings. Some persons are there, you see, we have seen in practical situation, whenever fire occurs, a few people are there to collect their belongings. During evacuation. It is requested not to stop to collect the belongings. As soon as you discover the fire, you please alert everybody, every occupants of the building, of your vicinity regarding fire, raise the alarm and come out from the particular place to a safest place without collecting the belongings. Do not shout or run. Friends come panic to others. Do not run or shout. What will happen? Some panic to the others. Those who are your office colleagues, they may be panic.